bathroom. Why are we here, you may ask? Can't you see? It's because the lighting is good. This is day 2 of my twist out. If you did not see my twist out video, I posted that on Thursday, so head and check it out. I'm gonna put it in the cards, the Google Things cards, or down below for you to check out. If you have, this is a continuation. So I had my girl Lelo ask me how long did the twist out last. I don't have an answer for that because I'm still mid twist out, but I did want to show you guys how I refresh my curls the next day if they allow me, because sometimes curls just go, I was cute for one day and I'm done and that's it. So I slept in this bonnet. I used to do the pineapple method. If you are on my Instagram, you know why I don't do the pineapple method anymore.
POV, when you do what the influencers say and sleep with your twist out pineappled up.
If you're not, I'll post a clip for you guys to see why I don't do the pineapple method anymore. I find that by wearing a bonnet, my hair stays down, like it stays in this general region. Anyway, this is a bottle of water. I'm just gonna spray a little bit, just so my hair has a bit of, you know, something. Because now it's just giving sleepy, you know? So if you spray a bit of water like that, just give the curls some hydration. There is tea tree, a little bit of tea tree in this container, and a little bit of olive oil. It's a bit of water, a bit of tea tree, a bit of olive oil. I use that to refresh my hair. It's a mist, so I'm not pouring a lot of water. Like it's literally not even damp. Like you can't even feel that I poured anything. Hence, I picked this bottle because it mists. Okay, once I've done that, we shake it up, we shake it up. Become Willow Smith. What does Willow Smith go? What's that song? Real good. Okay, we've done that, and this is what my twist out is giving. The next day, I don't think I've ever had a twist out that lasts me a full what do you call that thing? I don't think I've ever had a twist out that lasts me a full week. But what I do to continue maintaining the low manipulation style is once my curls start to die off, it's either I'm gonna put a hairband here and let it be like loose curls, or tie my hair up into 2 ponytails, or tie my hair up into like a back bun, things like that, where I'm still not combing my hair, but living through the loose curls. But yeah, this is my day 2 twist out. This is my day 2 twist out. The best thing to do right now would have been for me to put some oil in my hands, so that while I'm fluffing it like this, it's getting a bit of moisture. But I feel like because I used the Dark and Lovely hair food as a sealant, Dark and Lovely hair food as a sealant, my hair is still really moisturized, so I don't want it to get to a point where it's weighed down. Yeah, it's day 2 of my twist out. A bit bent here at the back. I think it's the way I had put the bonnet. But throughout the day, they literally just get looser and looser. I don't mind a little bit of humidity, because it just means my hair looks puffier and puffier. And I just think your hair looks so cute. Puffy, but yeah, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow on day 3.